Hey guys, what's here? I'm going to do a quick update on the rope bed. For this video for healing art, he asked me a question: how comfortable is the bed? With just the rope, it's better than lying on the ground. Keeps it warmer. That's just about one. So this shit here I'm using, it's kind of thick. So we're just gonna hop up and check this one out. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, I've been out here for too long. If you wanted to, this is or a good thick wool, like a thick wool fire blanket. It'd probably be more than enough. I typically use a camping ground sheet. This is quite cozy. Wish I had the cabin done now. This was in it. So this is actually very, very comfy. I'd say a good thick blanket is more than enough. As I was saying before, I use a ground pad. It's I think they're self-inflating from Coleman. It's about a ½ inch thick, and you can't feel the rope at all if you're using that. I've had a few naps on this thing so far now, just trying it out. Works really good. Okay, Logan Pin, get on your bed there and try it out. I know. No, a lot something silly this one. How does it feel? So comfy? Yeah. Feel comfy? I don't think you need your tool bag up here. It's a bed, not a shelf. It's a bed. Lie down for a minute and try it out. Well, apparently Logan likes it as well. I think it's the first time he laid on it. Now it's time to take it back apart, put it in storage till the cabin's done. Alright, doing her art. I hope that answers all your questions. I think I'm just going to switch over to this blanket instead of using my ground sheet and my sleeping bag I normally use. I think this here is a lot more comfy. Yeah, you want to say bye? Bye. Kind of don't want to get up, but I gotta finish cutting the grass in the backyard. Maybe go put a few more logs on the cabin, and clean out the smoker I just made. So, thanks again for the questions and the thumbs up. And hi to all the new subscribers, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.